Hey, Felix here, your 4x4 agent, and today we're going to be installing a new antenna base. So I got this antenna base off of Amazon. It is not the official Fury one. Theirs has the branding here, but I found this on Amazon, and it's the same exact style, minus the branding, which I like. I prefer the least amount of branding as possible. I mean, if I'm going to advertise their name all over the Jeep, they better be paying me. So I know in some cases that's not possible, but whenever it is, I prefer that. So we're going to be putting this in today. It's just 3 screws that go through here. These on the outside are just for decoration, and then the antenna screws into that. So let's take a look. So I already unscrewed the antenna. Now I just have to pop off the black cap. So the way to do that is you want to grab a screwdriver, like a flathead, a smaller one than this, and just jam it in here and pry that open. So let me go ahead and grab a smaller screwdriver. All right, we got a smaller screwdriver. So from what I've seen, apparently it's as simple as just getting it in there and kind of wiggling it around and then just prying. Yep, there we go. And that side popped off. So now we do the same thing from the, let me see, friction. Okay. So now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just jam it in there. And it's off. What you're trying to release are those 2 snaps. And they are here and here. So when you go in this way and pry, it pops that one, and then you go in that way and pry this way, and it pops that one. So now we're gonna need to unscrew these 3 bolts. All right, so we got our 8mm socket. And we're just gonna pull these off. I'm gonna go ahead and use 2 hands so that I don't damage the paint while doing this. So I'll be right back. All right, so once you have that unscrewed, you won't be needing the 3 bolts that were there. They provide their own hardware. This is a 532 hex. In this, you also get a little rubber pad, but it says that's for a JK only. It doesn't fit around that to go between this and the body panel. It also doesn't really fit into here, so I believe it when it says that it's just for JK. So obviously this is a JL. So now all I do is just put that on there, line it up, and then using the provided hardware, screw these back in. So let's go ahead and do that. Just quickly, the instructions show obviously the screws go through here, and then the washer that they provide goes between the cover and the metal antenna piece. So that's what we're gonna do here. All right, quick update. The washers do not work on that JL, so this must be for JKs. So I did not add in the washers, just putting it in without those. All right, so the base is in. Now just a matter of screwing the antenna in. All right, and we're done. So let me know your thoughts. If you want to know which one from Amazon this is, leave a comment. I'll drop you a link. But there's the new antenna base. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you in the next video.